Yes, students, what I expect from you that assignments, whichever are allotted to you, you have to complete in the month of November, whichever I had given up to 4th of December maximum, you have to what complete. So yesterday I said that 15 days, 15 days means up to 4th of December. It's a meaning of that. Likewise, you have to understand. So that on 4th of December, I'll prepare the defaulters who have not submitted the assignments and report to the attendance committee. So I will know your attendance by completion of assignments. Whichever assignments I'll give in the month of November, those you have to complete before 4th of December. Is it clear to all?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, others are not answering. You can reply in text box also. Tejas, is it clear to you what I said?
No, sir, I didn't hear the question. I just joined.
Actually, it was not a question. It was just information that you have to complete the assignment up to 4th of December. Yesterday, I told no for few students, maybe 5 years was there that submit within 15 days at least. No, up to 4th of December you have to submit. It is the instruction that I provided. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now we have to discuss about the radial distribution. Could you able to see the screen that I shared now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes. What's our understanding about the atom? In atom, at center there remains heavy region. What we call to that heavy region?
Yes,
Nucleus.
sir.
Yes, I represent nucleus here. It is a heavy region where protons and neutrons are there and is positively charged. And around that there is a cloud. Cloud of whom?
Electrons.
Electron. And even if electrons remain, then clouds will be there. And those clouds may merge to each other or maybe what the separate. In true sense, what happens? Near the nucleus, there remains a considerable probability of finding the electron. I'm showing by red color the electron. As I move away from the nucleus, it is a near nucleus region. Away from the nucleus, its probability of finding decreases. Yes, could you able to understand that orbital?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I am showing in that circular way only, means you can consider spherical. So electron density as you go away decreases. And to whom we say it as a orbital. Orbital is that's a pictorial presentation where probability of finding electron is there. After this region, there is a no electron. There is no electron. Means up to here only electrons are there. What are the regions I have shown? No, up to here electrons are there. After that electron is not there. So what is it? It is orbital. Now it's a spherical, so it can be s orbital. So which orbital it is that I represented here? It is 1s orbital. Now what about the 2s orbital? The 2s orbital separately I will show later on, but now, how will you feel that 2s orbital with all orbitals, say 1s orbital, that only I represent. After that, that's a red region of 1s orbital, there remain a gap, and that gap I am representing by means of yellow circle, yellow region. Could you able to understand that gap?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. After that yellow region, again the electron finding starts. Sorry, don't go on that the shape. It's a somewhat the more electron cloud you can say, and then slowly as we move away, the finding the electron decreases. So here electron finding is less. Where it is more, here there is what the more probability of finding the electron. So that region will be throughout that circle will be the more probability of finding the electron, and outside there is a less probability of finding the electron. So what is that representation? Here the strong region is there, and then the less region after that is the no electron finding. Yes, will anybody answer what I represent that orbital now? Which orbital it is?
2s.
2s orbital.
2s orbital. Yes. After 2s orbital, again there is a gap. That gap I'm representing by means of the yellow shade. Okay. After that, further the electron cloud what the start. Electron cloud of whom will start there? Electron cloud of the 3s orbital will start. So whatever this region is there, where there's a more probability of finding the electron, and that is regarding what the 3s orbital. After that, if I proceed, then there will be the less probability of finding the electron. So electron probability finding what decreases. So likewise, electron finding, then no electron, again electron finding. So whatever now I represented over there, that is what the 3s orbital. So like only s orbital I represented. The p orbitals are dumbbell in shape, so those will what? In the similar way aligned. But if I have to understand what that node concept actually is, I represent the p orbital. Let me consider it as one lobe of the p orbital and it is other lobe of the p orbital. So in this p orbital, what I find here, there is one region. This region. What is it? This region? This region is called? Yes.
No.
Right. Node. Where node means there are no electrons. Means where electron finding is less or zero, probability of finding electron becomes zero. To that we say it is node. Means again, if I see the previous diagram, then after 1s orbital, there is what the node region. After 2s orbital, there is what the node region. After 3s orbital, again there will be what the node region. Means somewhere electron finding is not there. Again we find what the electron. Means a few chocolate remain, no? And in that chocolate a special flavor remain. As you open up, at the beginning you will find that the flavor. After some time, not that flavor, say the Cadbury flavor example. Again after some time you will find that inner layer, the flavor. Again no, again. So there remains a different layers of the Cadbury, different layers of that particular flavor. Likewise, there remains a different layers of the electrons. And in between where there are no electrons, we say it as a node region. Then at first instance, student understands or considers 1s orbital is inner, then 2s orbital is outer, then 3s orbital is further outer. So 1s orbital is here, then 2s orbital is there outside only. In true sense, what happens? That 2s orbital genesis starts from 1s. Then 2s where the major portion is there, that we are realizing and we are saying it is a 2s orbital. But truly that 2s orbital means if I have to represent here, if I'm considering here see as this 2s orbital, this as a 2s orbital, then this 2s orbital in true sense start from 1s. Here is a first finding of 2s orbital, and then it is what the secondary finding of 2s orbital. Other way, if we have to talk about the 3s orbital, 3s orbital starts from 1s orbital. So here there is a first genesis of that 3s orbital. Then second genesis is there in the 2s orbital region. And third genesis is there in its own, that's a 3s orbital region. Students, are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. If I consider here, it is again the nucleus. I represent now the shapes. So that circle will be the proper. Yes. That electron, that nucleus went outside. Okay. Now that nucleus has come. So if I consider it is a 1s in first instance point of view, how to decrease that? That's a transparency I wanted to change, but now immediately I could not do that. So it from first instance we consider it as what the 2s orbital. Where is that 2s orbital now? In between here was what the okay. Now again I draw that. Okay, so the 3s orbital, if I have to understand, then actually the 3s orbital, may we consider it is the outer portion? Yes, it is true. But by the way, the 3s orbital started from this 1s. Is there in what the 2s also? And major portion is there in what the 3s also. It is understanding. Now question was, what is that radial function or radial shapes of the orbitals? Actually, if any shape you have to understand, maybe the two-dimensional entity, say circle or ellipse, hyperbola, or simply if you consider x, y coordinate considering straight line, then function remains. And that function means as an equation. If you solve the equation, you will get the pictorial representation. That's a graph that we say. So when we have to talk about the radial function, then we will get the radial shapes or radial occurrence of the orbital. In polar coordinates, 3 coordinates are there. Yes, as like Cartesian coordinate, we consider 3 coordinates, say 3-dimensional. Which coordinates we consider in Cartesian way? X, Y, and Z. In polar system, which coordinates we consider? Yes, do you know? Yes.
R and theta.
Right. R, theta. These are 2-dimensional. 2-dimensional sense, lower dimension. Higher dimension r theta and one more angle remains.
Phi.
Right. R theta phi, these are the variables. As x, y, z are the variables or the coordinates you can consider. Likewise, here in case of the polar system, three-dimensional representation, polar system, we have to consider r theta and phi. What is the advantage of the polar system over the Cartesian coordinate system? Polar system considers one radial vector, radial distribution. This radial r means we starts from the origin and goes up to that particular point and will, as like circle can complete by means of that radius. No, in school days what were we doing? We were taking compass and with the help of that we were drawing the circle. Here we are talking about the three dimension. So that r, say if it is a r radial vector, this r will vary not only in one plane, three dimensionally it will vary, all way it will vary. So when that r will vary, then I will get one ball or sphere or three-dimensional entity. So for that r, theta and phi also are needed. Students, could you able to understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So when we consider the importance of that r or the function related to r, we say it is a radial function or radial distribution. But when we have to talk about the variation in terms of angle, because angular variation necessary, maybe in the xz plane or maybe in the yz plane. So the angular variations, when we consider theta and phi together, when these two we consider together, then we get, yes, will anybody help me? Which kind of distribution?
Angular distribution.
Right, we will get angular distribution when we consider theta and phi. So as we move with r, that's a radial vector. How changes are there? One example I had given you, a chocolate with a Cadbury flavors intermittent or in between, not continuous. Similarly, electrons also are in that intermittent way, not so continuous. Means what? If I start from origin, say nucleus, and if I start my journey outside, then at the beginning I will find electron cloud. I'll find cloud, or I can say water of electron, of whom 1s. After that traveling, after that passage, there is no electron. So gap is there. So as good as I am traveling through the tunnel, likewise I will feel at the beginning. Afterwards, open air is there, vacuum is there, considerable space is there. Again, that bogie, that's a bogie, so enter the tunnel, no? Tunnel will start, or pool of water will start, or cloud will start. That is what the 2s region. Then after some time, there will be again no electron cloud, no water cloud, no pool, again electrons. So likewise, gaps are there, again electrons are there. Gaps are there, electrons are there. Gap means node point, no electron. And while traveling also, when I start the journey from nucleus, at the beginning, I found intense electron, more electron, cloud density is more. Then cloud density decreases, feebles out and becomes zero. Again, cloud density starts, decreases, feebles out, zero. Then again, electron density starts. So 1s, 2s, 3s, we can understand. Is the concept about 1s, 2s, and 3s, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What about boys? Nobody's replying.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sridhar,
Yes,
good.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Fayaz, good. Tejas, are you in the range?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If not clear, then again pay attention now. I am talking about now the other kind of orbital, that is the p orbitals. P sublevels you can consider. Have you heard any time 1p orbital?
No, sir.
Yes. So 1p orbital is absent. So first the shell 1p, s orbital will be there, s electrons will be there, but p electrons will not be there. P sublevel will not be there. That p sublevel starts from 2. That's a 2p. Then 3p. So how is the shape actually for the p? It is dumbbell in shape. So at the beginning, whatever the orbital you will find, that will be the 2p orbital. Afterwards, you will find some kind of gap, and you will find the next orbital. That is what the 3p orbital. Afterwards, you will find a gap, and you will find next orbital. Help me. What will be that now? The third p orbital? Yes.
4
It is
P's.
Yes, it is our 2p orbital, it is a 3p orbital, and it is a 4p orbital. It is for saying point of view. But truly, that 4p orbital starts from 2p. Some region is there, some electron cloud of 4p also is here in 2p region, in 3p region also. And major cloud is there in what? The 4p region. What about the 3p orbital? Some cloud is there in the 2p region, but major cloud is there in what? The 3p region. That's the understanding of radial shape of various orbitals. Yes, is that p orbital clear?
Sir,
Yes.
in p orbital, the nucleus is situated at which position?
Great, good question. Here, nucleus is always at center. Here is the nucleus. By blue color, I am representing. It is a small one, but for showing purpose, I represent it here. Yes, large. Nucleus is at center. Yes, what's the doubt? Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, it's a problem. Then I have a question to you. If nucleus is here at the center and electrons are in the orbitals, then this electron in the 2p orbital is there, no? Okay, the electron is here, will come, and electron has to merge in the nucleus. Electron is going in the nucleus. Electron in positively charged nucleus means nucleus will swallow that. It's like a Bermuda Triangle. Nucleus will absorb that. But what we say, electron comes out and electron is here. How is it possible? Is my question clear?
Yes, sir.
Then actually I thought that when question was asked where is the nucleus, I considered that okay, this may be the question. If you are not with no such question, then you are still lacking to imagine the reality. It is said to you electrons are in the orbitals. Then electronic nucleus, because it is said Rutherford's theory has a demerit. Electron will dissipate in energy and one time will merge in the nucleus. Yes, can anyone answer? Shall I answer or you will think on that and you will answer next time?
So we will think on this.
Okay, next time you do answer, you remind me and you can what the answer. If you do not know, then I will answer. Here is the secret of new model. Okay, these are the radial observance or radial understanding, radial shapes for those. Then you will say it's angular. Shapes are angular for saying point of view. But in truly, what we have to do, we have to move away from the nucleus. Means from nucleus I am going out and I will find here the electron cloud. That is electron cloud of the 2p. Then I will again find electron cloud. That electron cloud is of 3p. Then I will find again cloud. That is electron cloud of 4p. Everywhere electron density will be different. If I have to talk about the 2p orbital, here will be the major electron density. But if I talk about the 4p orbital, then here will be the major electron density. So that electron density, if we have to understand, then we should know one function. That function is called as radial distribution function. And that radial distributions, if you have to understand, then graphical presentations in that the videos also you will find. But now I show you the few radial distributions. Where are the first one? Yes, this one. I'm showing here the s orbitals now. Could you able to find three curves? One is red, one is blue, and third one is green.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So here see first is what the 1s orbital. And in that 1s orbital, here this region, that's a red color, that is our what the 1s orbital. Here there is a maximum probability of finding electron. Sudden rise is there at nucleus. Previous diagram, don't think about that. At nucleus, probability of finding electron is zero, complete zero. Just away from nucleus, suddenly we are getting a lot of electron. And then again, drop is there, up to here, that orbital is there. So span of that 1s orbital is up to here. This is a span, this is a region. So one side from nucleus to the orbital. Similarly, other side also will be there. I'm not saying it's a diameter. You can say it's a radius for what the 1s orbital. I repeat, note that 1s orbital neatly as there is no electron. Just away from nucleus as you move, then suddenly there is a more probability of finding the electrons and the probability increases. Then it what the decreases. And up to here, at last it becomes zero. That is our 1s orbital. What about the 2s orbital? See the blue curve. Here there is the electron finding. It means at nucleus, again as usual, zero probability of finding. There is no electron. As we move away from the nucleus, then little electron cloud is there, but not as huge as 1s orbital, but little is there. Then again, if I come down, then here I am finding zero probability of finding electron. So as I said, no, I'm going through tunnel, again open air, again tunnel, again open air. So it is a one kind of tunnel you can consider. Electron cloud was experienced by the 2s orbital distribution. Afterwards, there is a no electron. Then again electron cloud is increasing and it becomes maximum here. Then it decreases, and here it ends. So span of that 2s orbital is from here to here. So 2s orbital radius will be larger compared to 1s orbital. It's general understanding. Don't go on only the radial distribution. So span is the one kind of important term you should understand. If you have to talk about the 3s orbital, then near 1s orbital, yes, here I am finding the little electrons of 3s. Electrons of 3s I am saying, electron cloud of 3s. So the genesis of the 3s orbital starts from what? The near 1s region. Then here, near 2s region also little probability, but more than that of the 1s found here for 3s. And large probability of that 3s electron is here in this region. And at last, that electron cloud decreases, and it ends. So here is the end of the 3s orbital. So span of that 3s orbital is more than that of the 2s. So 1s orbital is smaller in size compared to 2s, which is smaller in size compared to 3s. It is a meaning of that. More electron cloud, if you see, are towards the nucleus. So its energy is higher. Sorry, whose energy is higher? 3s orbital energy will be higher. Here 1s orbital electron cloud near the nucleus, more region. So radius is less, energy will be less. 2s orbital higher energy, 3s orbital further higher in energy. Therefore, while writing electrons or electronic configuration, we say 1s orbital first, then 2s orbital, then 3s orbital. Now in between 2p orbital also do come. Where is it that 2p orbital? How is the radial distribution? So radial distribution is a one function, or radial shape helps us to understand energetics of the orbital. This s orbital energetics, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Now,
Yes, sir.
yeah, let us come to the other point. I'm talking about now 2s and 2p orbital. As per my previous discussion, one can easily understand this R upon A naught is there. A naught means it is a radius forward the hydrogen atom. Don't go on that now. Only consider the radius. If you see, the yellow color is there, and that yellow color is for 2p orbital, and blue color is for 2s orbital. As per this diagram, what are you finding? The 2p orbital ends here and 2s orbital ends here. If I have to represent by the other color, see, here is the end of the 2p orbital and here is the end of the 2s orbital. So what is the span of the 2p orbital? This one at first instance, 2p orbital. And what is span for the 2s orbital? This one. So as per our previous discussion, one may think that 2p orbital is near to the nucleus than that of the 2s orbital. So energy for 2s orbital should be higher compared to the 2p orbital, but which is absurd, which is not true. But diagram is likewise. Then what's the explanation for that? That question you may be with. So only span is not important. Only distance is not important. Distribution is important. Distribution of electron is important. And that distribution is considered here, see, on the y-axis. Though the 2s orbital finishes at last, finishes at larger region, but starts early. So total availability of electron by 2s orbital is considerably more. And average, if I take where there is a more probability of finding the electron, then I will find that 2s orbital, more electrons are here in this region. Means from radius point of view I'm talking about, means this region. And 2p orbitals, more electrons are there in this region. Now, if you consider the average finding the electron, it is called as R bar, radial average. Radial average, if you consider, then 2s orbital will be near to the 2p. 2s orbital will be of low energy than that of the 2p. So average is important. Only saying that this much is only covered has no meaning, because see the route what 2s orbital has followed means if the average of any bike or any vehicle, if you have to find, then going from Kudala College to ST stand. One distance, say about it is the 1 kilometer. Not exactly 1 kilometer, less than that maybe, but near about 1 kilometer. Then from college you are going toward the ST stand through that right angle way, means towards what the police station, and then you are going toward the ST stand. But if you go to the ST stand, that's a central or the city ST stand via the ST depot, which is outside, means you went to highway and then you enter there and then you come, then that route will be 2 kilometers. So from state point of view, from college to ST stand, but route what is followed, that will decide the average distance, whatever is covered, that. So average we will find by considering the distance covered. So if you see the 2s orbital distribution, that's a radial curve. The average, if you find, the 2s orbital will come near that to the nucleus than that of the 2p. That's a true understanding of the radial distribution or radial shapes of the orbitals. Only don't go on the x-axis. Till now I was talking about only x-axis, and only roughly I was talking about the distribution. Now quantitatively we are estimating, and at first instance, though you find that the 2p orbital is near to the nucleus, it is not, because average point of view, 2s orbital is near to the nucleus. So its energy will be lower than that of the 2p. So students, is this discussion about the radial distribution for second shell orbitals, second shell sublevels, 2s and 2p, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now let us come across the d orbital, s orbital and p orbital. Generally, if I talk to the student, then student will say 4s orbital is of lower energy than that of the 3d. Therefore, after argon, atomic number 18, for potassium, atomic number 19, we fill the electron in the 4s orbital. Then for calcium, we continue to fill electron in the 4s orbital. And once 4s orbital is completely filled, we allow the electron to enter in what the 3d orbital. That's for scandium. In general point of view, the Bohr principle. So 4s orbital should be of low energy than that of 3d. But if you see the radial distribution, again the concept will be clear to you. From span point of view, you will find 3d orbital is very near toward the nucleus compared to whom? 4s. It's true. 4s, fourth level, fourth shell. So 4s should be larger. 4s should be away. Yes, of course, it is away from understanding, first instance understanding. But see, the genesis of the 4s orbital. 4s orbital is not only start to end, as the example I had given, college to bus stand. The route followed by the 4s orbital. See, near 1s region, there was a 4s orbital. Near 2s region, there was a 4s orbital. Near 3s region, there is a 4s orbital, and at its own region, more electron cloud of the 4s is there. It is different. So on an average, if you see that 4s electrons, average, more electrons will be here, this distance, and 3 electrons will be away. Therefore, energy for 4s is lower than that of the 3d. Now, if I talk about the 4p orbital, then 4p orbital started from, is there 1p orbital? Is there 1p orbital
No,
possible?
no, sir.
No, sir.
No. So here is a region where 2p orbital is there. 2p orbital region. Here is a region where 3p orbital region is there. And now at its own, that's a 4p orbital region. And as per our regular expectation, 4p is ending away than that of the 4s. Even means in few diagrams, what is shown there, 4p was near toward the 4s, very near toward the 4s. But if you see the true electron distribution, then you will find 4s is of lower energy than that of the 4p. Considerable difference is there. Competition is there in the 4s and 3d. 4s and 3d. Comparable energy levels are there. Therefore, electron distributions are accordingly. Means at the beginning for potassium and what the calcium 4s orbital will enter, but later on 3d orbital electron enter, and only one electron enters, and then what? 3d orbital becomes away, and then the 4s orbital electronic configuration starts. Electronic configuration not so simple as we think, but this radial distribution function and its application, that is a very important one. This R square psi square you can consider. Psi square represents the probability of finding the electron. Psi has its no physical significance. Physical significance means exactly you can't say. For example, this pen is there. You can say the pen is this position. You could be able to see that clearly. You can locate its position. So localization you could be able to do. That's a significance. But when we consider only electron, then localization not possible. Heisenberg principle or Heisenberg uncertainty principle, exact position is not possible to determine because position and the momentum error is there, and the multiplication of that error is nearly equal to the Planck's constant h upon 4 pi is there. So that's the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. It doesn't allow to localize the electron to say here is what the electron. Exactly, we can. That's a wave concept. That's a quantum concept. And students, whatever you are discussing here, there is a quantum approach to the atomic model. The question asked was about radial shapes. Radial shape, actually radial occurrence remain. Radial occurrence means my journey starts from center. As I go away, what I find that I will report. At the beginning, I will find electron, complete no electron cloud, then electron cloud more, then decreases. That's understanding of the 1s region, then gap, then electron cloud again starts, then decreases. That's understanding of 2s region, again gap, then electron cloud more, then decreases. That's the understanding about the 3s region broadly. But particularly how representations are there, how energy levels are there, that I discuss. For that, span is one important term you should know. Another important term, average radius. Average, not only R, that's a span. That's an average radius that will decide the energy for the orbital. And this radial distribution, many times student finds difficulty to understand. And maybe if you appear for the JEE examination, you will the question, how many nodes are there? For example, if I consider, say, 1s orbital, just it's going to select, say 1s orbital. Yes, in 1s orbital, how many nodes are there? Number
0.
of nodes. Yes, number of nodes for 1s orbital is equal to 0. For 2s orbital?
1.
And 3s orbital?
2.
2. Why? Because for 1s, till orbital ends, electrons are there. But for 2s, there is one nodal point there, that curve or the electron cloud meets x-axis and finds no electron. For 3s orbital, 2 times it meets. Therefore, 2 nodes are there. It is an understanding. You might have by-hearted that. What's the formula to find number of nodes? Number of nodes is equal to n plus
Plus L
right?
minus 1.
Good. N plus L minus 1. So for 1s orbital, what is the value of n? 1. S orbital means what is the value of L? S orbital starts, the counting starts from azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number takes values from
0.
right, 0. So S means 0. So N means 1 plus 0 minus 1. Answer is 0. Yes, we are getting the same answer. 2s orbital. N means 2. S means what is the value of L?
1.
No, S orbital, L. Azimuthal quantum number.
0.
0 only. See, it is about the second shell, but first orbital. That's a first sub-level you can consider. 0. S means 0. Understand. S orbital, let it be the 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, any S orbital let it be. S orbital means L is equal to 0. Azimuthal quantum number will be 0. About the principal quantum number, about the shell number, that will represent my number. The same number you have to copy. Yes. Is it clear what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 2 plus 0 minus 1. So what is the answer? 1. Yes. We found the same answer. Now say about 3s. What is the value of N? 3. S means what is the value of L?
0.
0.
Minus 1. What's the answer? 2. Therefore, 2 nodes are there. You might have by-hearted the formula, but understanding was not there. Why for BSc is there? BSc is there to understand the basics. Basic science you are learning. Applied science is after basic science. Basic science is a root of development. It's very important. But what happens? People admire the tree because tree has beautiful flowers, delicious fruits. These are the applications. Can you imagine a tree without root?
No, sir.
That root is important. But where is that root? Root is deeply buried in the ground. We can't see the root. We can't see the root means it has no importance. Not likewise. We can see the doctor, physician who cures us from the disease. We see the engineer who constructs the different things, means say the civil engineer or say the IT sector engineer, the software building or that the hardware building as such. There's a result that we see, but the behind the curtain to prepare that bridge, whatever the basic material that material scientist has prepared, basic science. nanotechnologist has worked for that medicine, drug preparation, or organic chemist has worked to synthesize that drug, that we do not realize. But that is a root, that is a base. So therefore, at first instance, you may find it's applicable. Yes, those are applied aspects, but never we can do the progress without the base. Therefore, now whatever you are finding now, that's one notification and resonance. I think Vaibhavi has replied me. It is not for the first year student. Vaibhavi, have you replied that, or any other student has replied?
For what, sir?
That somebody has replied from your class. It is for only first year student. So it is not for first year student. Yesterday,
Yes, I'm.
I told about that the summer research fellowship.
Yes, sir.
That fellowship, who is giving? Government is giving to you. Why for? Because government has hopes about the basic science students. They can develop. China had worked a lot about the basic science. Now the too much development is there. Pharmaceutical industries at Verna or at Goa region, you are finding from where we get the chemical raw material we get from China. It doesn't mean we can't manufacture. We can manufacture, but cost concern is more rather than getting it from China. Why China could excel that? Because China has prepared the catalysts, has worked a lot on catalyst area, and they have their own standard or the brand, you can say. Standard in the sense about the chemicals I'm saying. And those chemicals are tested. We test, they have to apply, but cost concern is more. Even we have to manufacture steel here, then it's a tough for us. Still we can manufacture, but cost concern is what more. So they sacrifice with a few things, environment aspects, therefore also may be now it is what the affordable. But future consequences in China also will be different one. Threats are there. But my point of interest here is a basic science development. Even Korea also is good in the basic science development. Germany also is good in basic science development, but they are focused more on the technology point of view. That's a development. Only one region. Indian brain can do a lot, but it's a synergic system has to work. Therefore, our IITs are there, IIScs are there. Those are built years before. Vision is what? That's a quality research should be there. Considering that IIScs were built. So summer research fellowship program is for you basic science student. Inspire Award. Do you know Inspire Award? Have you heard Inspire Award?
No, sir.
See, Inspire Award, and in our college students are there who got that award. Means in 12th standard, those students who are meritorious means not necessarily then in board rank should come. They select almost about I think 0.1% first in every board, say Maharashtra state board. Then to those students, government give this award. Do you know what is the award amount?
No, sir.
Just guess. Per year to study basic science. If you are studying basic science, then only government gives that award. You should be in that merit first. And if you are coming to the basic science, even though you are in the merit, but you are coming for the basic science, means you are the hopes of the nation. Therefore, government gives that one stipend. Just guess, anybody, just 2 to 3 guess I want per year. How much government gives for study purpose, or to study BSc?
1 lakh.
1 lakh, yes. Any other option? Any other? Okay, one option, I got 1 lakh. Other? Per year I'm asking. Not for complete BSc course. BSc for MSc also they do provide. Our many students are they got this award, and now also students are in college. At FIBSc, I don't know who are there. Yes, please, further 2 guesses. Just guess. What do you think?
Approx 80,000.
80,000. Yes, any other? Last.
5 lakhs.
5 lakh. Okay. Out of that, this answer is more near. You will get 75,000. And if you are doing such research, summer research and other things, or additional fellowship if you got, or traveling expenses, further 10,000 you will get. So first year generally student doesn't apply for that, but second year onwards, if any project is done, to do the project, if it remains research related, it's a great. And in our college, we are establishing, nearly construction is over. Construction means renovation that we did. We are working on organometallic synthesis or pharma molecules synthesis. So innovation is there. Means whatever happens in pharma industry research, the same research will be there. May possible one of our student in future will be with one biomolecule and can do the change. World can change. World for us will also change. Also in a sense, society, and for the student also, or that institution also will change. One pharma molecule can do, lot of scope is there in this field. So this facility now you will get in our college, but not for all we can, Entry also will not be in the laboratory. But if you want really to do the work and understand the research work, then you may be allowed, maybe. After all, the HOD, Roddick sir, and that the Nadkarni sir who is looking after that laboratory, they will decide. But I want to say that basic science is what the important. Okay, students, time is over now. Sorry, I could not recognize the time. Had I bored you for more?
No, sir.
Yeah, see students, it is important.
sir.
Basic science really is important. But what is the general notion? Are you doing BSc? I give my experience. It is in 94 I am talking about. In 94, I was with a dream to go in the engineering, to study engineering. B was the target. 85% was my expectation score in PCM group, but I got 76%. As per expectation, not I found, but even though I would have get entrance exam at that time was not there. Entrance exam it would have been there was the best chance for me, but it was not there only on the basis of the score that I could able to get that. So at that time I was the dream. Why? For my friend circle, therefore I was the dream to become engineer. But it was asked by any means, but I was very obedient. Do BSc. First time and last time I was disappointed that BSc means what? It's low level. Likewise I was thinking, but only I asked, can I not do? I did. And I say honestly to you, yes students, a lot of scope is there, only your approach should be there. And true sense, I am made for that basic science research as such. If engineering is there, then also I could have able to do that. So there remains the students, they could do the things, but you have to go to that level, then only you will get. And to reach that level, now you have to think about the competitive examination. JAM is a one competitive examination, students. Think about that. Work for that now. Only don't think, only don't dream. Action is important. Get the study material, study for that. After TY, you can go in what ISC for study. Great institute. You will make your life. IIT, ISER, many institutions are there. Standard institutions are there. You will reach. Forget about the money, how much you have to pay there. But you will be the cream for the nation. You have to think in that way. Our students are appearing from mathematics. We are getting the success. Students are going. But from chemistry, all India ranks are there. Last time also was there. But students are not getting admission. What rank should be less than 500 for chemistry. All India rank I'm talking about. Students are getting rank near about 2000. They are getting rank. 2500. A lot of difference is there. So students, I have hopes from you. Therefore, just I took your little more time and I told about this JAM examination. So study well, and if you have any doubt, any question, then you can want to ask about summer research fellowship. Even though it is not for the second year, I tell you, when I joined in 99, I think from 2000 batch. In 2000, I applied. That Surya Nadkarni and Mandar Kazrekar, they have applied because I want to know the exposure. So they have congratulated them. They appreciated their attempt in a sense application, and they have sent one resonance magazine. At least you will come to know which areas are there where people are working, what are the areas in our college, the area where our college starting, that's a pharma field. If related is there and if you get exposure here, then chances of selection are more next year. So you can think about selection of next year right from now, and you can work for that. Okay students, I talk a lot. You have to work now. Yes, is it clear what I want to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, students, good, very good. All you are brilliant. Maybe you are few, but you are brilliant. I have hopes about you. Nation can develop because of you. You are the pillar for the nation. You have to work for that. Okay. So, Vaibhavi, you were with the question about the radial shapes. Had I answered your question?
Yes, sir. But formula for number of radial nodes is n minus l minus 1, no?
Yeah, just wait. That 2p we are not started. No, just wait. Let me see. Confirm. Yes. I think she's right. N minus L. N minus L minus. Yes, right. Students, yes, it's a mistake. It cover up because for 2p orbital, how many nodes are there? There's no node. So 2 minus 1 minus 1 0. So Vaibhavi, absolutely you are right. I was wrong. Yes, Tanay, any question?
No, sir.
Okay. So Vaibhavi, yes, sorry for my mistake. Yes, students, is it clear what Vaibhavi said? She's right. N minus L minus 1 is the correct formula. Yeah, correct that now. N minus L minus 1. Other students, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Actually, I have misunderstood. Boo principle I was talking now, and N plus L that remain, and therefore, yes. Vaibhavi, thank you very much. I appreciate your attempt to correct me. Thank you for that. Because of that, what happened, Vaibhavi say? See, other students also come to know. And I have no problem at all to accept my mistake. Wrong is wrong. I have to accept. And mistake we also can do. Anybody can do the mistake. But yes, I was wrong there. I corrected it now. Yes, thank you, Vaibhavi. Yes, other students, the question asked by Vaibhavi previously also and now also the discussion she did. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and whatever I told you about the career avenues, career opportunities, and importance of basic science, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Further, if you want, then
Sir.
also I will want to discuss later. Yes, Vaibhavi.
Sir, for summer research fellowship in this year, I unable to apply. No.
See, they said 2 years. You are not unable. You are able to apply. You apply, but they will not select you. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Then what wrong goes to apply? Apply. Suppose if they find that the candidates are less and opportunities are more, then let us see the other applications. In case if they find, then they may say it, Vaibhavi.
Yeah.
It is advantage. Other advantage will be second year when she has to apply. Now she will come to know. I'm not talking about the form filling and all. It's a simple thing. But what areas are there? Which areas are there? Where research is going on? So she will think right from now and she will work for that. She will take a project for that. If she execute or complete the project, then next year her chances of selection will be more. Only I am a
Yes, sir.
second year student and I'm applying. Then how many second year students are there in India? It is a national level selection. So those only will be selected who have the real interest in the research, and who has the real interest will certainly work. So you have to take a project and you have to work for the project. Then only you will get selected. I'm not talking about only chemistry. You can think about other subjects also. Vaibhavi, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
student. Yeah.
so for that we have to do research in our college.
Wherever you do research everywhere. But where can you do? No, college is the best. No, college is the best place where you can do the work. Otherwise, where will you do the science work? It's not like a humanities. No, it's not a survey based only. Experiment based it is there. So there somewhere research if you do, you choose. And for that Avishkar, there remains one competition, research competition. And this year you can participate in that competition where you have to do research. Vaibhav, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can choose one particular guide as such. Guide means teacher as such. You approach that teacher and say, I am interested in the research. I want to do research. I want to know research. It's our duty to explain you. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Time is running now. So students, shall we stop now?
सर जॅम एक्झाम फक्त ए ग्रुप वाल्यांसाठी आहे का?
No. JAM exam is for those who have 50% score in the 12th standard in mathematics. Up to 12th mathematics necessary.
ओके सर.
Up to, and that is the additional condition for JAM. Because JAM exam is there for biotechnology also. Biotechnology JAM examination. Biological subjects are there. What is their expectation? Up to 12th mathematics necessary. That's only expectation.
ओके सर.
Okay. If
थँक यू.
not JAM, then clinical research is also one good area where you can go. Choosing that biological subject. Biological subjects means not only biology, means that's zoology. Botany, zoology, chemistry also to come there. Means if you have to appear for the net examination of zoology, chemistry will be there.
ओके सर.
Chemistry is a universal concept. Yeah. Okay. Had I answered. Okay. Such if doubts are there, I am very happy to answer because I want a great future for you. So be curious, always remain curious, always hunt the answer and work for that. Learning is proved by means of working. Go through the reference books. Don't rely only on those videos and the text. Go through the reference books. Right from the 11th standard, I have studied the various books. Therefore, I could confidently talk on the various questions because base is that my graduation and post-graduation, of course. So you have to prepare the base. Only limited approach if you keep out there, no, then see, you decide how you want to fly. Do you want to fly like a crows and the parrots? You are eagle. You have to fly high, but you are not because you are following the trend of parrot and the crows. Change the mindset. You can. You have that ability. You should work. Actual work is important. If time permits, next time I'll give the story about that eagle also. Be eagle. Eagle mentality means what? Yeah. Is it clear? Who has asked the question? Shefali. Vaibhavi, do you want to ask anything?
No, sir.
Yeah. Next time we can have the further discussion.
If I have any question, then I'll ask.
Yeah. Please ask and openly. If you ask no, then other students also will come to know. Only WhatsApp we will discuss and only that student limited answer remains. I like now Shefali asks or the Vaibhavi asks. It's a good approach. I appreciate that. Okay, students. Tomorrow, complete assignments. Tomorrow my lecture is there, but complete assignments. So I am giving that time. But if other teacher conducts the lecture, then okay, well and good. Otherwise, invest that time for completion of the assignment. We will see on the next week. If Zamdar sir joins, well and good. Otherwise, I will conduct the lecture. As Roddy sir says, I will conduct the lecture. So tomorrow, as per timetable, I think my lecture is there. I repeat, but I'm allowing that time for your preparation, study. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow you will not find a link. I will remain busy in my task now. Tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So students, I declare here today's session is over. I stop the recording and I want from the boys also the responses. You are responsive. Tanay, Fayaz, Sridhar. Yes, you are also brilliant. You have the confidence. Keep it that up and work for that. I'm very happy that girls are responsive. They are responding. It is a very important thing. All are nearly responding. Very good. Very good. You are here to learn and we are here to teach. Learning phenomenon is more than only providing instruction. That's a teaching and learning phenomenon. It's a two-way phenomenon. And for me, how many students are there is not important. What's the interest or desire of the student to learn? That is more important. Okay, students, I stop the recording and I declare here today's session is over. Quit now.